Students, this is Mr. Hisgen from Campus Ministry with a very short tutorial on how to log your service hours. Begin by going to the St. Viator High School webpage, go to Quick Links, go to Student Records, go to Student Access, enter in your student ID and your PIN or password. If you do not have a PIN or password, please go to the admin office and request a new one. Click here. You are then taken to the student portal. This student is a senior, you can see. She's grade 12, and I'm going to show you how to enter hours as if I were this student. Go to Christian Service. We said she was a 12th grader, a senior, so her senior year. You will be brought to Journal for New Service. Enter the service date. Let's say, for example, 6/12. Let's say, for example, she went to feed my starving children in Schaumburg. This defaults as marginalized because this ministry site particularly serves with and assists those who help the people in the marginalized community. The total number of hours, 3. Submit. This is the most basic way to do it. The organization was in the drop-down menu. It defaults because we know what all these organizations do, who they minister with, so it will default. Let's say, however, that the next day she went to her friend's church because she wanted to help out with the Vacation Bible School. I'm going to make up a name of a church. We'll call it Grace Lutheran Church. Okay, so in this drop-down menu, Grace Lutheran is not found there. It's not one of the agencies or churches that we are aware of at this point. Not a problem. You just go to Other Site Not Listed, click on that. Okay, I said the other site's name was Grace Lutheran. Oops, I'm learning how to spell. Grace Lutheran Vacation Bible School. Now, I know that Grace Lutheran, it's a general program for the kids in that particular church, not necessarily or intentionally aimed at ministering with the marginalized. It is also not, this is the letter I, it is not an in-house program. It is not a St. Viator High School affiliated program. So it's other. It doesn't qualify as marginalized. It doesn't qualify as in-house. So it's O for other. Total number of hours, 5 hours. Click Submit. For the sake of keeping the video short, these are the 2 submissions. One is found in the site dropdown. The other is not found in the site dropdown. Click Submit. Now, if she were complete with those 2, she would simply click Save the changes I've made, at which time the campus minister in charge of her grade will be notified that she has made a submission. If you have any questions about how to log your service hours, please stop in campus ministry during your lunch hour, after school, or before school. We are there and happy to help with whatever questions you might have. Thank you.